Hello. I'm a very interesting and intelligent man. And this is Rex. Today, Rex will be helping me to teach you some English idioms. I bet you've never been taught by a dog before. As you can see, Rex is in the doghouse. Of course he is. He is a dog. Now, it's all very well for Rex to be in the doghouse, but how would you like to be there? Not very much. In English, if someone is unpopular because they've done something wrong, we can say they're in the doghouse. Oh. To be in the doghouse. Like that time, I got so drunk that I missed all my classes the next day. I was really in the doghouse then. I can't really remember too much about last night. I think I had 1 or 2 glasses of wine too many. And beer. Oh, and whiskey. And vodka. Champagne. And cider. And today, I missed all my classes. I'm really in the doghouse with my boss. And I feel awful. What's that you say, Rex? Your hair? The hair of the dog? What a disgusting idea. In English, some people say, if you feel bad after drinking too much the night before, you should have the hair of the dog. It means a little bit of alcohol to make you feel better. The hair of the dog. I don't think this is going to work. Never again. Look at this beast. He's made a dog's dinner of that. It means he's made a mess of something. To make a dog's dinner of something. Oh, I've made a dog's dinner of that. Let me just do it again. To make a dog's dinner of something. To make a dog's dinner of something. Oh, I've made a dog's dinner of that. Let me just do it again.